Welcome back to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip. Today has not been a great day for us. We have been full-time now for about two and a half, 3 weeks, and we did a big boo-boo today. We were parked up here at my in-laws' house in Tennessee, and we went to Walmart to pick up some meds because we're leaving late next week for Indiana to get solar. And when we came back, the fob for our door did not open it up, and we did not have a key to get in. So currently we're waiting on emergency roadside service to come in, and we'll let you know how it goes. Just a little hint, in the future we will have an extra key somewhere hidden or in the car or something, so hang with me here. We'll see how it goes the rest of the day.
So, I'm on hold for roadside assistance. We have a fob on our key ring to the RV, and when we got back, we went to get in, the fob wouldn't work.
Emergency roadside assistance. My name is Patrice. Are you calling from a safe location?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
May I ask who I'm speaking with?
Meddena.
Are you in need of roadside assistance?
I am.
And is this for a car, SUV, pickup truck?
It's for an RV. My fob...
Can you confirm your telephone number for me? Thank you, Miss Green. And is this a phone number?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you wish to receive message updates and related text messages about the tow?
Yes, ma'am. It's not a tow. I cannot get into my RV, and I have animals in there.
And we have no power.
And there's no power.
You locked yourself out of your RV.
Well, my fob quit working, and I went and got new batteries put in it, and it's still not working, so I don't know what's wrong with the fob, but we're locked out, the electricity is off, and we've got 2 dogs and a cat in there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's cool.
Sorry to hear that.
Well, it's not real hot right now, but it could get hot.
I do understand. Miss Green, do you have your policy number?
My insurance cards and everything are inside the RV.
Can you locate the VIN number of your RV?
We have to be inside. Just keeps Maggie to unlock the door.
And Miss Green, may I have your complete mailing address that would be listed on your policy?
Are you not finding us?
And I'm sorry, what city was? I'm not finding it. And would you spell that, please?
Do you tell them we just changed?
And it could be in part because I don't have the VIN or.
Well, they gave me
policy number.
They gave me another number to call. How long would it take for y'all to get somebody here?
Generally, it could take up to 45 minutes. How would you use the account?
Okay, let me call the other number real quick, okay? Maybe they got it.
I'm sorry about that.
That's all right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
If you are an agent, press 1. If you are a customer, press 2. To make a payment, press 1. To hear your current policy, please enter the 5-digit zip code found on your policy, followed by press 1. To receive via fax, press 2. To receive via U.S. postal mail at the address on the policy, press 3. To repeat these options, press 8. To return to the main menu, press pound. To make a payment, press 1. To hear your current policy status, press 2. To order proof of insurance cards, press 3. To request a letter of coverage, press 4. For claims, press 5.
Claims, such as she said.
To verify custody. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. If your call is related to a claim that has already been reported, press 1. To hear our main menu options, including the option to speak with a representative, press 2.
2.
If you know the 5-digit
Oh my
extension
God.
number of the person you are calling, please enter it now. To dial by name,
I hate
press the
having-
pound key. To dial by claim number, press 1. To report a new claim of any kind, including glass-only damage and towing or roadside assistance, press 2. To hear To report a glass-only claim for your automobile, recreational vehicle, or farm equipment, press 1. For towing or roadside assistance not related to an accident, press 2. For RV, press 1. For auto coverage for motorhome, fifth wheel and travel trailer disablement, or roadside labor is based on reimbursement after you have incurred the
That's
expense
fine.
and
That
is
is
subject
fine.
to the terms of your policy. Please submit your invoice to us with the policy number written on it once you have paid for the service.
Okay.
Press 1 to hear the claim's email address, fax number, and mailing address.
Call.
If you are in immediate need of
I don't
roadside
have phone.
assistance,
You got the phone.
press 2 now to be transferred to Transit Pros, a trusted partner in recreational vehicle towing that focuses on. Your call is being transferred to the roadside assistance
See
vendor
what they
acting
how
on
long.
behalf of your insurance company. If you have additional damages
Oh
to
my
your
God.
vehicle or need to report a different type of claim, press 1 to return to the
Report
main
dead
menu.
animal claims.
Otherwise, stay on the line to be
64
transferred.
degrees outside. That's the only thing saving us.
Well, the service guy coming out to help us get in the lock is 7 minutes away. We've been, at least the power came back on. The air conditioners are running. We're running. It's cooled off a little bit now. And see if we can't get this door open. There you go. Praise God.
Let them out.
Oh, they're nice dogs. I thought
Yeah.
they were attacking me.
No.
Come on. Go potty. No, go potty.
Yeah, I
Come
heard
on.
them barking and knocking on the
Come
door.
on.
Oh,
Come on, Gracie.
Come here. Go potty.
It's safe.
I'll go grab you guys a card.
Okay.
Usually when it's like animals and stuff like that locked in, I just waive the charge. So.
No, you're not. I'm going to pay you. You came up. Oh, thank you, Maggie. Wonderful.
Man.
No, I'm going to pay you because you came out here when nobody else would. So just give me a bill.
All right, if you're 100% sure, like
I am
said, usually I
100%
don't,
sure.
but,
No, we are going to pay you. He said normally they don't charge for. Look at this.
Oh.
You may have not even noticed that white paper.
when it's like dogs locked
No.
in or something like that, I usually don't.
No, we are going to pay you.
Okay.
Absolutely.
I just
All right, I
need a bill.
appreciate
Maggie.
that.
Maggie, here. Come here. Well, that didn't take long.
Yeah, I really thought because the way that it's shaped, I thought it might have been a high security key, and I was worried about that.
What is the name of your business?
Bama Lock and Key.
Bama Lock and Key. If you need
Thank you
anything
very much.
down in around Huntsville, Madison, we're in South Tennessee. Give him a call for locksmith. He got in about 5 minutes, so we're very pleased with him.
Thank
Yes,
you very much.
and
sir.
I'm very pleased with my white pants. My dog decided to. Maggie, come here.
Well, we got in the RV finally, as you can see. He took about 5 minutes, and real nice guy. He wasn't going to charge us because we had dogs in here. That's how nice the guy was. But we decided that, you know, hey, you pay a man what he's worth. That's what the Bible says. So, and it's just the right thing to do. You know what I mean? This is his business card. So if you need somebody, locksmith or anything, and you're around Huntsville, Alabama, Madison, Alabama, South Tennessee, give him a call directly. He is a really super good guy, and I would highly recommend him. It didn't take him long at all to get into the lock, and it's basically the first RV that he's done as his own business. So anyway, appreciate you stopping by today, and we got a pretty long video coming up about our Gulf Shores trip we did that we made last week, coming up next week. And as we start on the road the end of next week, officially, I guess, we're headed up to Indiana to get solar on, and after that through Wisconsin, hopefully to Mackinac, Michigan, Mackinac Island, and see northern Michigan, and back down through there. We hope to do, we don't know yet what our pathway is yet. We're going to put it all together depending on weather and what happens, you know, in just life. So appreciate you stopping by. Hope to see you on the road.